Nga gotochiko kwana mangana a soil testing lakini kero totarenda sa mangana soil testing kero to tabanga kilimo hai inkito minute kero to tabanga kilimo hai
bemono kilimo hai through a series shirika ya Biovision Africa Trust no kuligereri na ki to make sure nga obulimi bwitu bwakorirwe ligere botwe faida eso bulimi to kora bondu wensi
yes
obe obulimi we faida kwa somulimi no mugusiase kwa ujumla.
Okay. Wanto tera toraligeri ngendo tokoro nga soil testing tumatinga soil testing aseke gusiki anogo izito ko pimali liroba ko pima tomanyenga type kia ndagera kia nyarako bage kwa magose. What do we mean when we say soil testing?
Be bono muralia soil testing no doko pimalira ba orolenga madini kiribugate a madini ali akogera ekemelikia kia kina kia kwa production gose ya kwa ligesa igo go ikoligelinga kere kemelinge bwata madini yae nitakiro balege ndurunga soil testing igere omanyenga madini kiale ase dira baliao gose nanyale go support ekemeli.
So kero montaña renga maybe madiniaro na nke type ya kemalikia bente ko gosimeka egere anyar ko baga gutwara ligi gose ligi sa ligia. Bueno kero to kwanira ntaito tora emanya mange yase nsema ya soil testing nga kyo montara nyar ko baga ko manyanga bona lirobelia na kolanga na kwanyar ko baga kwaresa nga kyo mulimiera nyar ko baga ko manyanga lirobeli ndire fertile enough osindi bwate obotogete buranyara ko boko support endagirelia bwente ko simeka
buya mono teri raisi komanya buya nga lira baliao mbo tobukiri bwate na kitogo teberanga tokole egendo ikorukunga soil testing opime liroba ligere likotebinga nkike ke lageti osekere emete nande ninkikeroro.
What are the ways?
To kolege nto tokurukanga soil sampling.
Okay.
Okogenda mugondo wakora esambo waimukia amaraba kurweso mugondo kerko imukia amaraba kurweso mugondo amaraba ya kwa ma yakoenda kwa yapima. So maybe orante inko the steps on how you take the samples.
Yeah, I think we katoro and when we are talking marakarenga yani umonto test the soil as of course you go to tell us about the process.
Yes.
But I think the other and process, and then we also go to other questions. Like you monta ako that process of soil testing.
Bueno, soil testing ne kwerende no gotaka kumanyana ki na kirira balia oli bwata madini yangana.
Okay.
So goikogende mugondo eso mugondo obo oyo ligere litangani na kiole. Mate ntubate bana wano gusi tubate megondere ere flat eyendere guchigoro. So akero kwa ligere mugondo obo igobene togende mpaka mugondo lakini tobase ko rusi maraba angena nchira akaro wachire baka mugondo
why angena nchira gose
why ngo tebinde some other places utai kurusia maraba esengenjo sometimes injira bantongo etabale injira ga ige bintu mbiri bikurtu robono akosi ndo hard pansiani asali ara kongu no ebono maraba ali okurusia ororo tali guchiko ba maraba oranyare gocha goteba ngana ara ko represent ya maraba ali mugondo. So okorwa otige around 10 meters korwa se edge ko so mugondo ogo kero wachire so mugondo ogo oike gatigati eyo bugate obokombe ogatwara omoro ogatwara basin ogatwara mone agabagi puna kalia ujima tebintu bitwa polythene lakini ye elipune litwa kagorere sukari kale lakini etali ko itimache.
Okay.
So akero wachire mugondo wikire 10 meters ko rwase ase edge yo mugondo ogo ogwaka ege kama gokora rusio okorusia obuchafu buli kurugoro totebe for example nya sai no bonyansi alingi to also depending na ingi wasimigeto orusie evento tokoroka debris so bonyansi ga omana kolema around 20 centimeters ochinze.
Okay.
Ekero kolema no bokombe okobeko bokombe at 90 degrees 90 degrees kero kwa 90 degrees kwa rusia marabaya koma yangocha no moro aliese asali nge straight wa scoop amara maraba maraba yakaro kwa ya scoop iri kwa yake besenime
yes
kwa yake besenime na andi kwa ali sikwalenge because asa yota itonyo representation ya marabana kiota getenga kiara sayo you do a radius of around 3 meters
yes
3 meters bono korigereti ali okubara amaguru atatu akero mugondo tabwatie futi approximately amaguru atatu is 3 meters
yes
kero kwa bali 3 meters kwabeka in a y shape kwabeka kwa ndona kwa the same thing wakora gaiga na ndi in another y shape na ndi wakora the same thing wakora gaiga na ndi kwa ile na maiga from your center na ndi wa pick so that one gives you a composite sample ya sayu so it eko very representation ya marba ara sayu bonaro kwa rusiri oyo mugondo gukoro monene ekegera bona marba ya kwa rusiga iga ta ko represent mugondo bwensi you move in a zigzag way kero se ko move straight nabora rusia marba ya sa abweka
yes
so you move in a zigzag way digere oende to another point and pick your row and end to another point o pick your row kera maraba yonsi pikwa ya pikiri o mana go chabono o yabeke ebese ni lime o yaburukani bya kabisa o maye bono korusi around 2 handfuls
yes
mabikwene ndo kabere ai bona aramara bono tukoira twamanya koira bon for testing now that is sampling in a process intangani okora kwa mana koira testing in the laboratories
okay how often go say mara karengo mo marimi wento ko okora that soil testing is after every ngakiaru siri me liga samugondo was how often and what is the timing
we are after 2 to 3 years utakaire wacha kiriro baliao simply asengenjo totebe usise itogato siseniri sana nembura egento ngire ko kunga soil erosion amacha go cha iriro baligoro oboyo buligo bororo ari ngento kire ko kuliching oboyo mbole boko ende kere mbura yatule nyinge wagenda nse eseke melita nyare wikeri so ekero after 1 to 2 years nabeta ke yani 2 to 3 years I mean sorry nabeta ke ile o test ile baliao na ndinga ose the nutrients requirements cheke melikeria nchiroro neke ntokirenga kiendo takere go test neke rota ete go change ekemeli otate kobeka kemeli nyo otate kobeka kemeli kengao na uranyo le the element requirements ne chinga ko kwa kiri kwa bege toro bona bera ko bidi na ndokole
kokore sampling
so sampling and testing
okay ase bona muna tochega ga soro ngurwa gusi and you know gusi tobwate obolemi bonge korekana bole turikonyara buyego chindemero chitigere bosaigo okonyora nga ebintu bisimekire bono soil fertility problems chiko eneke wa soro ngurwa gusi inchire chieki ase abaremi
moye chi problems useme chanda bali bakonyora is nutrient deficiency ne chi nutrients chi to kasiliro bachiko support oko kina wekemelia bono inere problem ya mubakonyora problem yende bakonyora okonyora nga usi twali mirimo no buna wateba mbaka bono ntobwa ndikunyara gukora crop rotation igo bono crop rotation yeye ya onye nditwa yo crop rotation tobese bigeke melike nga ko ruaseke ikina bageko tokonya ko regain fertility egento kenene kitwa kwa na igoro problem ya soil erosion eronko gerere kwanyora na amachalia asombira marabali igoro amaya ago support plant development kwanyora nga bono kemelingi likonyora kwirindi egento kende is the acidity levels acidity oyine acid ire seriro bakero kwatumire sana moyo mono bunalia inorganic fertilizer ekero kwa yatumire mono ngo charalete githuru kwa acid acid ekogera nga ekemelingi kunyara kurusi nutrients kurwa serira ba onye acid kere nyingi so abora yo kunya kubeka obuoyo lakini bado still
botariko ko
kemelingi liko koromo emio kumingi kipone kemelingi liko kolera kwanyora the acidity levels asayo iko chikorete kintu kieke o chire iguru so the plant gose kemelingi liko nyara kungusa nutrients kurwa se aseliroba ligere kero sindage
and when we are back to the soil sampling kwanyara ko kweresa and kulavush tramanyanga do sometimes farmers make mistakes monto wachire ngai ko kwento ko test iro beliao and what are some of those mistakes
farmers usually make mistakes. Asing injo there are places to take kora soil sampling.
Bunabone liwata bangina.
Bunabone nate abangina para. If you take lira balira ngina para, na balira working and ibwati useli acid kimono, so it could not give you a representation yomogondo. Namba ya kabere ase matri umbagero. Kimonyo liro konyara chia lemire mono. Ant hills. Ase bunali osokurusia marabali ngana ro chikokora soil testing ego kwa different result.
Okay.
Uno mulimbi. Egento kende ogenda asobweli.
Obweli wechiombe.
Obweli wechiombe. Oyendo chikurusia maraboro chikupima give you a different result.
Fertility, yes.
Oyenda ase homestead sange nangagali so ko mokurutano eneli bumwarute wechinkoko. If you test yote kubayanga fertility status yomugondo wensi o test ko in the homestead you'll get a different result.
Yes.
For example gendo o test nande babali mibane bale bakoenda kwanyoro muntu o test just along the boundary.
Yeah.
Asali atali kolimwa saa zingine okonyora ale mo fertile. Igobono na bora nyore na yako
ile represent
fertility status chomugondo. Yes.
Bueno, toko gendete kusikosio mwanchi matagiri gortornere Jared, Mr. Jared, oyo goto eresera, igoro ya omurubulio kilimo hai, lero goto kuligiri amangana ya liroba. Kigima, asenjera ya bene, igoro ya soil testing. Abantu tumati go sabare mi abange mkunyara kwa barba go adapt the go test the soil kumanyanga liroba inki obo to bubo ngananga kiribwate na bimeri kibiri eranyara ko ba gosebo lirobe liranyara ko baliko support egero montaña ko ba gakonyora ligesa ligia kero tonyara ko batoko ligere mistake and what are some of the soil amendments do you recommend at least omole myonyara ko ba gakonyora nga maybe no eneli rabalia that fertile, which some of the recommendation oranyara ko go kokoro go chia somole
beyamono soil amendment solutions to kora mono na mbeyemo asingi njutwateba egentongere nga organic carbon.
Yes.
Organic carbon na benge mattress ya bono lira bane mattress.
Yeah.
Kere mattress ya tabukire saa zingine te kunyara ko hold match te kunyara ko hold buoyo so tutaite to increase organic carbon.
Yes.
Organic carbon ko increase no kutumia buoyo bwekenga through shirika ya Biovision Africa Trust kosomirira abalimi na kibakorosyo buoyo bwekenga igerebo mente obo tobugochie somo yendo ya kabere o test ekero to test soil to test ebintu like bibere arakabere ekemo is the pH. The pH nere now the acidity
and the alkalinity
of the soil. Eligero ligeri ngai ko range different crops echibwate different pH. Ekero tu aligere tu anyorire ngauta etukosimika ekebeli ketegaiga pH erense we will advise you utumie ngendo ko kunga lime ko rusia pH area nyalinge inse like 4 to 4.5 yeah to close to 6 and 7 where most of the crops thrives. Yeah, so those are most of the amendments to okora na ndu ateye balmi bakora integrated agriculture soil and water conservation structures and management abalimi ekero korra mugundu kwa onali steep obeke metaro oake grass strips digererira baliriri ale nguchi kutirimboka diri mugundu likore gento kieke.
Yes. Yeah. Kero tokendete kwigma so how does soil testing help reduce production cost? Yani ego kei chi enche ebintu bironyara ko bago tumeka kosimeka bona bono when you find out that liro baria on diri that fertile it means that go cost here a lot kwanda koligi maybe the fertilizers or the manure and everything come sure nganko nyorore erigesa so soil testing igego cha ngaki reduce the cost of kolire linga kyomo miyabante ko simeke bimelie but yeah increase the yield oserigesa.
Thank you.
Yes.
Akero wapi mirira ba igego kwa the exact nutrient deficiencies mboyo kyobwenete kobeka.
Yes.
Bono onye kwali ngikobeka obuyo kyobwenete kobeka na inde.
Yes.
Na kibongana.
Okay.
Umaita at some point ngo koratole wastages.
Umaita monto naro tianda correct monya kitali kidogo, yani an observation I've seen.
Yes.
Omonta kotaka kutume ko boyo bonge nga yani egere bomeke change ko chia seri ekemeli maybe.
You could be adding more acids, which is iraba.
Is it dangerous?
Dangerous.
Yes.
Actually, you could be causing environmental risk through bonge who swept.
Even the microorganisms
chiroche ayande through leaching waenda ase amacha yabuna yechin soko.
Yes.
Are you seeing? So na wakonyero kwa tumi wakore wastages. So through soil testing and the sampling and testing, igo ko tebi with the exact the quantities ogotumia ngaki ogotumia boyo bongana asom ase km na ande mboyoki. So onye ko tumia was in 100 kilos, the test results might tell you use 75.
Yes.
Yeah. You go reduce the cost of production. And also the cost of production, once we reduce it, for example, you'll be recommended to me a lime.
Yes.
To me a lime, you go watch it to me a boy and over advised sometimes to me a compost.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
You go ligerally the valiao, live high, high.
Yes, as we are also talking about soil testing, do you have some of the farmers who have done the soil testing and banyorenga nebwate faida?
Yeah, nara kolera balemi batali bake. Balemi bana bangi mostly ekero ngo bate batagete ko venture into production. Kera teko kora obolemi we faida.
Yes.
Wikaritangani ora ligerira ngakirire namba ya kabere toligerire nutrients availability esirira baliao ngo support dirire ebimeri byo tate gusimeka ligere twa advicinga nkemeri kyo kora ente kemeri kyo gusimeka nande kemeri egetagete obwebongana so nara akonyira balimi batali bake ya friends of mine na kora soil testing bachire ba puna mulimi yo monaro na simikirite kawa around 4 acres. Kero tuare gusimeke twa korete soil testing tukamanyanga mboyo kitakeire organic manure ngana na kitakeire tukamana gusimeka so the production one guseliga selire igoro and na gokerete ligesalia.
So there were changes when you did that?
Exactly.
Okay. Ebona ko togenda tukonyo skanga, where can farmers in Central Kenya access reliable testing service?
Central Kisii.
I mean it's central. I mean it's in Kisii, not central. They might be having a typing error.
Yeah.
Esenga jutore gusi. I think abuno turanya ko batogote banga. Esenga we are talking about Kisii.
Yeah,
so it means that it's Kisii.
Yes,
I think it was an error.
Yeah.
Yes. So where do these people go senga yabanta abakusi baranya ko bakanyora these services just soil testing?
Services just soil testing na bo kere in Kisii county ne bate Ministry of Agriculture.
Yes.
Bwata ba wisakire award. Kero bwato muchando otagete kumanyanga ngakyo tagete kutumia boyo gose line gosirira bali una kirire you can go there waendoro bako advice baende bakoyelirira ba because esto kupimira mono mutobwate egetu kirunga kalro Kenya Agriculture and Livestock Research Organization no togokora ogopima kweliro ba ase serikali ne chinde nchiro chiri private. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Kwero togenda tokonya kuskobusyo, what is the cost elia kwarangeri gusomulemi okurangeri mwae asomo kondoe uchakurigeringa wasocha kokora the sampling usikote even that sample agaro chikokora the soil testing. How much does it cost?
Soil testing na gokora ige kubwatia.
Yes.
You can do pH test. You can do macronutrients. Macronutrients in primary elements. Kemeriye gotaka gurunga nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nande na bogokora macro and micro elements.
Yes.
And the pH. So it will depend na nkiokora. Okora pH the least ora akane. Okora maybe pH and the macronutrients range between 500 and the maximum wakana up to around 8,000. Kero comprehensive analysis ya kirege mpaka micronutrients ngikita keire before taracha.
So but normal sampling is just around 500
to 1,000.
But I think those kinege ntaba limbo nte uchangamkira barore such that banyar ko ba comment liga saliabo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Actually komanya pH yoka it will assist you so much because igota ke irobe ke lime improve the acidity igere lira bali auli tuale ma nutrients kira seriroba ekemerike nyare go chirusyo. And then once kwa manyiri kwa bekire lime and then you can do organic manure.
Yes.
Yeah, compost.
Okay.
Yes. So,
according to your kibono nkili say what we could have tackled today.
Yes.
But I'm trying to find aba kusi ngo harigani bari or they harigani bari mu ruburi bo soil testing or say go bari ignorant.
What I can say,
yes.
Nkeli na kerona aligere tuatemire ko tebya abaleminga no nyene keruru muruire.
That's why na ande torara.
Igo kogenda nyakitali. Kero wachiri nyakitali wapimu kwa manyunga kiuru walete kwa mana kwa malio. So to gupimira maiso.
Yes.
So abalemi bali twa interacting na barabu abange actually they are buying the idea of soil testing.
Yes.
So igo nege nto abalemi bange iri ko impress ngora wocha. But and again those commercial farmers barabu we can call soil testing.
Yes.
But because remember I think about I'm going to business.
Yes.
So we also urging abalimi abaita bakaba kena barabu basoe into soil testing igere bamanye exactly ba reduce the cost of production in kitogo tumia so mugondo ligere konyora ligesa linyinge.
Okay.
Yes.
So semara go bayabona se abategera baito to kwanira mangana soil testing turinara Mr. Jared Makori oromu bwataniyo yomo bwabari bwato umanyi mono asense mbega studio. So Mr. Jared timanye tinga ujumbe yao yomweli uchesa abaremi anena mono borgo ngurwa gusi because we are only talking about cases.
Yes.
Farmers ga nando no rochenga. Okay, but before that final message yao na nyire gentokete bona bune mbure go tuga mono higa. Does it affect the soil testing or say go affect the soil testing which is the right time yoko kora the soil testing is it wakati mbreta yoko sekere mbrero?
Thank you. To kunyara ko imuki soil samples ye kiresi ke kira maji.
Okay.
So boiko ganye nsera akamuka ekera yakamukire iga yaiga kwa mana ko imuki the samples. Era samples chiko yana chara ni kitu chama yakaba tested. Actually ekero samples inga kiyumura kera. The results might come earlier because the soil samples are dry so geometry. Ekero kimbura piere nyingi boiko ganye mbulera era poa era kera. Era arauma ka alafu mayo take the samples. Yes.
So the best time nailinga iwana matu muri minaro lero kuigure otegete ko chiko kora soil sample soil testing.
Yes.
Ingomona the noiwetenga the right time ndiri mugasoro kidogo nalia matokea gocha bwango. So tikatoka so bwango mana se sendo chasing je chinsa chitu chikanda tokonya kominyoka. Tumanyanga what is your final message gucha somo gusire ero kotegerete na hendo kuligirete TV ya Gatembe FM na Gatembe TV.
Biamono ndate yo mogusio ando sia sante keretenga tigato kole tupimerera balito.
Yes.
Tupimerera balite gente getangani asengi njogusin buna to seseniri nembura. Embure konya kuriyo goturio kalioka there is nutrients ko bachire washed away. Ne chindi chia leach. Igoto kole soil testing na litora nyora ligesa ase emegondo yito. Asengi nchi ya gento kieke. Kero taito kole biashara bindi bionse. The basic factor of production is land. Igo mugondo yongonye to yubugati na to yurindeti. To ko yonyora faida kurwa asere. Igo bono tigato kole soil testing to manyeni nkiketa keire, kero to manyeni nkiketa keire, to kiniri gesa, eketo akiniri gesa, igo to akorere ndo kurunga food security.
Yes.
Food security kero to atore food security nonya nelio maneli gosira nyumba. Na inde kero watore food security ndagerero abana bakoragira byo kuragira mu nyete bya bono nebe se gutere no mufuko abana bakanira school fees baende school aseigo ni maimiza wote batega response na baligereria ingatika twende tokore soil testing igere tumanyenga twa increase rios twa kinirie igesalito kubase mikondo yetu
because what is more important ni ngento tokuruka ligesa production no ekero egento gusekero tubwate ndagere nyingi okonyoranga no nebe se triko nyara ko bage kubura abana bakosoma bia bahinde school and no nelio mana bana wata actually ngo kyarire because my tekero kende ketayo it means ngabantu ngweta na bari chimeme
Exactly.
But to avoid that, maybe no kulira nganga kitoranya ko batokonyora ligesaliria kwetras o kora what we call soil testing omanyanga ndagere kioranya ko gusmeka asumugondo egero nyako gukonyora ligesa. So to tagete torende ngambia mono asengencho ya bali ba ko nyako ba bawikerania obokoreri obo anana mona sogocha kunyara ko gosemia barimi igoro ye liroba, and it is very important. Igo monto narora ande gusiga iga bwato mondo mokota oyona no moketo bwente ko soil sampling was soil testing lazima omonto o arigani imero bune yiga such that kwanya ko bako kumanya nkikiri onya ko ogusimeka asumugondo igo bono ntakatente bangambye mona sugwe studio chito na bali mwensi motorigirete na romo. I have a good friend Ruth kurwachiza mujiri chatara kusalimia sana na bali bonse pipare bandigirete asemara ko babona baira maiga mange sana stumai kusono bata maiga
and maiga to my mom. I know she's looking at me.
That's wonderful.
My wife and kids, my sister,
yes,
all my friends. I have several friends who are farmers. But they're reading
okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Jared. So we kaiga and in my thing and to tuare litukolinde tunyarkoba to semia ayanda magenchenko kwa sami enda 001 enda bategara Tembe FM na bagetembe TV asemero bali togende tokokoleta.